Dawn breaks cold on Savannah shore. Waves whisper secrets we've heard before. Rigged and ready with hearts aflame, Lagniappe sailing, she calls our name. East Coast winds will guide our way. Through winter's grip we seize the day. Hoist the sails on Lagniappe sailing, bound for the blue, no hesitating. Down the coast where the wild winds blow, to the Tortuga's mystical glow. The northwest across the Gulf so wide, with the crew united we ride the tide. Michael at the helm, steady and true. Herbert's wisdom sees us through. Robin water dog with lines in hand, Scott's spirit fuels this wandering band. Frosty morning, starry nights ahead. Lagniappe sailing where dreams are bred. Hoist the sails on Lagniappe sailing, bound for the blue, no hesitating. Down the coast where the wild winds blow, to the Tortuga's mystical glow. The northwest across the Gulf so wide, with the crew united we ride the tide. Farewell to the land, hello to the sea. Adventures await, wild and free. From eastern shores to the western call, Lagniappe sailing conquers all. No storm can break our sailor's vow. We're departing now, right now. Hoist the sails on Lagniappe sailing, bound for the blue, no hesitating. Down the coast where the wild winds blow, to the Tortuga's mystical glow. The northwest across the Gulf so wide, with the crew united we ride the tide. Lagniappe sailing, setting free into the horizon. Just you and me.